Hey everybody, it's Denise from You Blossom, and I'm here today to share with you that I'm going to be teaching some Ayurveda workshops over the next few months at the Broken Squirrel Wellness Center in Courtney. Ayurveda is something I've been trained in for the past 3 years, and I've been teaching it and also using it in my day-to-day life. Ayurveda is the 5,000-year-old healing system that's been used in India, and it translates into the science of life. And the philosophy behind it is that we are all born in balance, but the things in our environment cause us to become unbalanced. So the idea is that we want to balance the whole body. We want to balance the mind, the body, and the spirit. And the purpose of Ayurveda is to help us return to that natural state and also to help us recognize when we're out of balance. And how it does that by providing us with many tools, including meditation, which is who we are and what matters to us on the inside, and also then helps us be aware of our emotions and our feelings. There's also a big focus on nutrition, digestion, and gut health, as well as our daily routines. So how we sleep, the seasonal changes around us, our relationships with the environment. So there's many tools and topics that I cover in my course, and you're going to walk away with a lot of great things to help you recognize when you're out of balance. So I know that this has helped me immensely over the last 3 years, and there's no doubt that I feel so much better. So if you have any questions about the course, feel free to reach out and email me or give me a call. Take care. We'll see you soon.